Let's take a look here now at Google Earth Scenario 1. In this scenario, we have Nadia who wants her students to go beyond lecture and reading notes for their Roman Empire unit, and she wants them to be able to really examine the look and feel and the geography of Rome. So she decides to use Google Earth to have her view satellite imagery of Rome to examine the cityscape, the topography, and the cool thing about Google Earth now is that is completely web based. In the past, you used to have to download the program, and it took up a lot of memory. It could be slow and glitchy, but now it can be accessed easily for free on a Chromebook simply by going to the Google Earth website, and all those features are working web based. No fancy software needed here. So let's go take a look at some of the features that you can use to examine a place like Rome. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick search here for Rome. Zoom in right down into Rome for me. Close that down here. So if we're going to open up this button right here. This is going to be our map style. We can take a look at different ways that things that we can look at. We can do a clean map here that shows none of the landmarks, or we can do everything here. That shows you all the different roads and places. You can filter it to be not quite as showing everything. So you have a variety of things that you can do. A cool thing here that you can turn on 3D buildings, so that way you can see you can see buildings in 3D where they're located. So what we'll do next here, we'll take a look at Vatican City, which is a very prominent part of Rome. And it's going to zoom in right to the Vatican City. We can see it now, the geography, the topography, and the buildings in 3D. So if I come over here in the bottom right corner, if I click on the 3D button, it'll then tilt, and you can see kind of like a bird's eye view, and it kind of rotates it for you, so you can really see, the how densely populated this place is. Students could Google this and look at static images, but this really gives you a sense of what it's like to be in Rome. So we take here, we have right here where the Pope lives. If we were go to click in here, I'm going to zoom in, and we can really take a look here, much easier than ever before. And if we take a look right here with this button right here, we can do a street view and actually see the different roads and stuff here. Click on some of these other places. Each dot represents a picture that someone has taken. So it zooms in right here. It's like you're right there at the Vatican. So it incorporates some of the elements of other Google Maps here as well. So we can turn around, see a 360-degree view of Vatican City. So if I want to go ahead and click out of it, it'll take me back up to my bird's eye view. Click on 3D, it'll tilt it again, and you get a very 3D tour of Rome without having to go there. So